Yo, 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 it's Mr. Selfish, and today we're gonna make a protein shake using sunflower seeds. Now, it's very, very important to start your day slowly with food. You know what I mean? Because you're breaking your fast. You can't just wake up in the morning and then start eating some crazy stuff and expect to be well throughout the day. It's like... Hey, buddy. Hey. Go to work now! Okay then, so you get the picture. You have to take your time when you're waking up. You gotta wake up your body slowly, yeah? And give it things that it's able to assimilate, like fruit, veg, and seeds and things like that. Simpler things. And your teeth are designed to grind these things down. It doesn't have that much to process. These things can pass through your bodies from between 30 minutes to 2 hours. That's how fast your body can assimilate these things. That's how light it is on your system, yeah? So, let's go and make something good, man. Yo, 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 alright, cool, let's get started. All you're gonna need is sunflower seeds. This is already pre-soaked. I put this to soak from the night before, and it makes them a lot softer and easy to take. And we can also assimilate them a lot easier as well. Takes all the acid off and whatnot. Found this yesterday. This is some frozen fruit mix. This actually only cost me like, it was less than £2, and this is, no. This cost me like £2. I got a whole kilogram of frozen fruits, yeah? This is gonna last a long time. Doesn't cost much. A banana and my scales. That's all you need to start with, yeah? So let's put this all together. It doesn't cost much. This was what? I don't even know. That's how low it is, yeah? That's how low. Alright, so first step, you wanna measure out your sunflower seeds. I like to have at least 20 to 25 grams of protein in my protein shakes. So how I did the math and how I measured this out, I know that dried, it takes about 9, not one of my favorite numbers, it takes like 9 tablespoons to make around about between 100 and 150 grams. So that's about 25 grams of protein. That's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The reason why I have to measure it first dried is because obviously when you soak them, the weight will change, but you want to know how much nutrients you're getting in each portion. Yeah. Always get a scale, guys. Always get a scale. You see, when this was dried, this was like 150 grams. Now it's well over 200. That's because of the water in there now as well. So make sure you get a scale. They don't cost anything. Yeah. All right. First things first. We want to add our frozen fruit. Make sure you rinse off the seeds thoroughly before you use them. Clean off all that lovely phytic acid that was gonna burn your ass. After that's rinsed, you wanna add in your seeds. This can get messy, but you know, make a game of it, man. Get you a banana. Oh yeah, a little addition I like, a bit of spirulina powder, bit of green in there. Last but not least, some water over the top. Fill that up. And what I like to do is a bit, you know, makes life a little bit fun. Alright guys, and now it's finally time for a taste test. Cheers. Yep. Tastes like some fruity ass gains, man. Tastes really nice, quite a nutty taste. If you like a bit more zing to it, add a bit of lime. I kind of put lime in my spring water, so it's like lime water, alkaline water. Add a bit of lemon or lime into that to kind of wake it up a bit. But if you want that nice earthy, deep, you know, berryish taste, leave it the way it is. Beautiful. If you liked it, you liked my video, feel free to like, comment and share it. Stay tuned, I got more stuff for you guys. Peace out. Stay selfish guys, think about yourself.